Alright, here I have an iPhone XS Max. Alright, so here is the screen protector I have. It's this specific screen protector is called a 3D glass because it covers an edge-to-edge display. However, I have it's not gonna cover the whole screen, specifically the notch, because it just have a cutout for the notch. Alright, so as you can see here, yeah. Alright, so what do we have here? Let's see. This is it's a hard tempered glass. I believe it's a Panzer glass, the brand called Panzer. So let's see what we have here. So let's throw this one. So what do I have here? Oh my goodness, for crying out loud, please. Okay, so now it does come with it's a sticky tape, okay, that will help you remove the dust from the screen. And for external use only, one pad sachet. So it's an isopropyl alcohol. So after everything is done, I just need to wipe it clean, and I have a microfiber cloth in here just to clean the screen. Yeah. So now, as you can see, I had a full cover, but it's been cracked here, as you can see on the edge. Just be very careful so that the dust of the glass doesn't fall into your eyes. So look at this. It has a serious crack in here, and well, the purpose of screen protector is to get broken to protect the actual screen. So thumbs up, it has done its job. Alright, let me just throw it out. So now what we're gonna do first, okay? I've been learning this a lot, and let's go how it turns out. Yeah, first just wipe up the screen. Okay, just wipe the screen up. And always remember, try to do it in a flat surface so that the alignment is correct. Just do this. Okay, perfect. And then just turn it on just to see if you feel like there's something else on the edges or something. So just wipe it up. Okay, now let's do this dust remove sticker. Yeah. Oops, shoot. It should be like these. So just make it like these, curve it out, then just stick it out, just like, yeah, that's how it should be done. The thing is, why I'm doing this is because if I do not do this one, and if I put the glass screen protector on top and there is some dust in it, it's gonna create some bubble and it's not gonna look clean. So I think we are good. Okay, so let it be. Again, use the microfiber cloth just to wipe it up. Okay, perfect. Then just remove the bottom edge. Yep, no, that's the big question. Yeah, so just remove this one up, this latch, colors, remove this. Okay, now be very careful. Try to turn it on so that you can see the actual notch where you're supposed to put it. So just place it on top, just like this. Yes, turn it on again. Yeah, the alignment is perfect, and just drop it in and let the magic happen. Okay, just close this and let the magic happen. So just now what you need to do is just press it and just try to remove the bubbles. Well, mission not accomplished because it's a fail. I have loads of bubbles, too many bubbles. So the final thing I can do is this alcohol wipe, isopropyl alcohol. That's the only thing that can help at the end, I believe. So just let me try this one. Hope you guys do good with this one. Me, I have bubbles here. 3 places I have a visible bubble. Well, that's the best I can do. So hope you guys can do better than me. Alright, so that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and thank you for supporting. It was fun, and it was fun. Okay? Yeah, guys. Cheers. Bye bye. God bless you all.